Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 16-foot by 48-inch Prism Frame Pool with filter pump. Enjoy a whole new level of fun with Intex 16-foot by 48-inch Prism Frame Pool. Durable and easy to assemble, Prism Frame Pools feature all of the great benefits of metal frame pools and are enhanced with strong powder-coated steel tubing and a stylist and upscale-looking liner color. Constructed with puncture-resistant 3-ply material. It includes a 110 to 120 V cartridge filter pump with a pump flow rate of 1,500 gallons per hour. Product benefits. Prism frame pools are enhanced with strong powder-coated steel tubing with a stylish liner. Includes 110 to 120 V cartridge filter pump with pump flow rate of 1,500 gallons per hour. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.